Hello, welcome to all. I'm very happy to share you that today I have more than 50 subscribers, and thanks a lot to all the subscribers to stay tuned with me. And today I am sharing this fast forward video, so you can finish it in a sort of time. Otherwise it was around 1 hour, but this is just 18 minutes video. So watch full video. You will learn some small things about contemporary abstract art and how to work on a canvas seriously. Firstly, I removed the wrapper on the this canvas and started pouring some colors. uh, and this is just for the wash layer. This is not the final layer of the painting. And in this layer I will use too much water to spread it all over the surface of the canvas. My hand became black, and this is good that I used this gloves, so it was clean. Now I'm using the cobalt blue, and to make it a little light I'm using a part of white. So this acrylic paint will be the second layer of this painting, and it will represent the sky, the open sky that is very clear. So but in an as an abstract form, I will not give the perfect uh, visual of the sky. For the second shade of this painting, for the background I will use a little darker blackish gold. So that's why I'm mixing these acrylic colors, like golden and the black. To make it a little thin, I'm using a little water and then applying over the canvas. The edges of these color strokes are not smooth, and I need to make them smooth, so I'm just merging with my thumb, so it will not be like the margin line of the golden color, and to the others also. Before I started this painting I worked on this idea. So I was making this flying eagle, and this is also the second part of the previous painting. Last week I used I shared the real-time video for the same size painting, so it is the next part of that painting. You may say it's a, you can say it's a series work. Okay, so this is the eagle that I drawn here, and after this drawing I attached my tab to the cable to recharge it, and then prepared the golden color. So the color will be applied directly with the brush. It mean I will draw directly with the brush, and this is not so tough. You must have ideas of fundamentals of art, fundamentals of drawing and painting. But oh no, look at this! I forgot to recharge my iPad. Look at this. I do not on the switch, so I forgotten that there, but later I did it. So uh, uh, I started again with the painting, and attached this mobile on the stand, and freely I draw it In the fast forward, you cannot assume that how much time I took, but it was so long time to make it, and this is not good. If you draw regularly, you will have you will take a little small time. I think 5 minutes is sufficient to make such paintings on the canvas. And here I'm going to tell you that to paint these wings, I love this actually. The wings of eagle, while it flies in the sky and we watch it from the downside or from the up above the eagle. So at these angles, his wings are too much strong and big, huge wings of eagle. So I love to paint eagle's wings. And here I want to tell you that please don't forget to to like my channel, to like my video, to subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon, so you cannot skip any video of my painting style on this channel. So I would like to make a big community on my channel. So please stay tuned with me and watch the full video so that I can achieve more than 4,000 hours as soon as possible. And now here is the sun that I'm painting with the golden color. And after making the texture, it will be totally different. And I don't want to mix the outline with the background. And these are the broken wings of some other eagle or other bird. This is not of this eagle. Okay. So and these feathers are making the balance among all the elements in this painting. If you know about the balance, the visual balance in the art, so you must use it if you want to make a perfect better artwork. After some days, I thought that this light blue is not looking like that I really wanted. So I just mixed without white and made it dark. And after finally some more days, uh, uh, all the painting was dried and it is ready to make the final layer with the black color. And after this I will make the textures. Obviously, if you are my regular viewer, you know what I will do and how I will do. But don't skip. At the every moment you will enjoy how I am doing, how I am working with the colors and mixing palette and mixing the turpentine and the linseed oil also. This is the linseed oil. And finally the oil paint, the black color is now finally have a good viscosity, so it can be easily applied over whole the canvas with this roller. And roller is very easy to use uh, to work on the bigger surfaces, bigger canvas. And this space is not sufficient to make the finishing layer of this black color, so I took this easel in the light area, in the open my open room, and used my brush horizontally and vertically two times. And after some hard works, it was uniformly spreaded painted on this canvas. During the winter season, I got a little warmth because I was work afternoon, so and cold is not too much. And here is I'm using the iron nail to make the textures. You cannot see textures from this angle, but I will zoom it and I will took the camera to the close this canvas. But you should enjoy how I work. If it is good to see, so I cannot tell you that how I work. So it's a just a video. You can see how I am standing there and I'm working, and the small cracks were made with the hands. And at the every cracks, every stroke, it's an hard work. It's not so easy to make these textures. So texture making may be easier in other techniques, but in this painting, in the Cracturism art style that is originated by me, uh, texture making is not a play, but I work as a play. And after using the thin iron nail, I used this painting knife to make the textures, the bigger textures and the heavier textures, so that you can create I can create the depth among these textures. As I work over and over to the layers to make the textures, uh, whole the painting uh, looks like a bright looks like bright crystals, bright threads, and something like glowing under the dark sky. So that is the love behind this painting. That is a love behind this style work, Cracturism. So enjoy this video, and I wanted to tell you that please subscribe my channel, and please like and comment. I need your comments, your supports to become a good YouTuber, also good content creator also. And if you like abstract or contemporary abstract paintings, you must suggest something more that you wanted to see on the YouTube, that you wanted to see sorry, watch on the YouTube. And I will definitely work on it. So as I told you, as I go to finishing the work, and over the layer, uh, these layers create an awesome look. And just remind, the first look of the making texture while I started with the iron nail on the same angle, it was different, totally different. The canvas was totally black, but now this is awesome. And that I'm feeling. But what are you feeling? Please comment, like, and share. And thanks to watch this video. Bye.